Some new developments in the case of a man accused of raping a little girl who died in a house fire the day before her trial was set to begin. Robert Seman's attorney now wants the charges against him dismissed. 27 First News reporter Jerry Ricciuti was in court this morning when both sides had something to say.
Good afternoon, Lauren. Essentially, the lawyer for Robert Seman is now asking prosecutors from Mahoning County to explain why the rape charges against his client should not be thrown out. Robert Seman was back in court this morning in front of Judge Maureen Sweeney. His lawyer, Tom Zena, asking to have the case dismissed against him, the rape case specifically, saying that there is essentially no link between his defendant and young Corinne Gump, the girl he's alleged to have raped over several years, starting when she was just 4 years old. You'll remember Corinne and her grandparents all died in a tragic house fire back on March 30th, the day that Seman was supposed to go on trial for rape and gross sexual imposition charges. Although prosecutors have said that they intend to use statements the little girl made to a nurse and a social worker, those statements will have to be ruled admissible in trial by the judge. Today's motion sets that in process, so to speak. The state will now have 10 days to write why they believe this case should not be thrown out. The defense will then have a chance to rebut that. This case still on track for trial perhaps later this year. As for that house fire that killed little Corinne Gump and her grandparents, it remains under investigation. Coming up tonight at 6, we'll have more on today's hearing and prosecutors' arguments why this case still should go forward. For now, live, I'm Jerry Ricciuti. Lauren.